Hello everyone. In question 10th, it is in how many ways the letters in Mississippi, the four eyes not come together. Four eyes not come together. If from the total ways means by using all the letters of this Mississippi, if we will use all the letters, then how many total ways we will get it? Let's see. According to the permutation concept, we are taking all of them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 11 letters over here and we have to take all the letters together. So 11 letters. As we have done it in the properties of the permutation, if the letters are repeating, यहाँ पे देखिए I is repeating 4 times, so you will divide it with 4 factorial. S 1 2 3 4, S is also coming 4 times, so 4 factorial. And what else? This P is also coming 2 times, so we will take 2 factorial. Okay, so the total letters in this word is 11. So 11 factorial. You can do this part like this also, that to find out the total ways, 11 P 11 divided by 4 factorial and 2 factorial. Like this also. All the 11 letters taken 11 letters at a time. Okay, and since the digits are letters are repeating, so we will divide it with number of letters factorial. अब इससे भी अगर आप करोगे 11 factorial upon 11 minus 11 factorial, you will get same thing. So either you will do it in this way or directly also you can do it. अब यहाँ पर ये जो आया है, the number of ways which you will get it over here after solving it, उन वेज में आपके ये आई जो है अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन आई टुगेदर वाले भी डिजिट्स आ रहे हैं, इजंट इट? टोटल आपको वर्ड्स बनाने हैं. सो दी इन दिस केस द टोटल वेज इन दिस आपके ये आई टुगेदर वाले भी नंबर्स आ रहे हैं, isn't it? Why? Because you can write it like this. आपके पास ऐसे लिख सकते हो, एक ये वर्ड हो गया, another word is like this, ऐसे भी हो गया, and so on. So the total ways, ये आई टुगेदर वाले भी number of ways में आ रहे हैं. So what we will do, according to the question, the 4 eyes not come together. So what we have to do, out of these जो आपके eyes together आ रहे हैं, that we have to subtract it, then only you will get the answer. So we will subtract the 4 eyes together. 4 eyes together means these numbers should be together. तो हम इसको एक पूरा बंडल बना लेते हैं, एक नंबर बना लेते हैं. So what will be the left out number? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and we have taken this one as a one bundle, so 8. So it will be 8 factorial upon, अब आपने इसको तो एक बंडल बना लिया, but these numbers are repeating here. So according to the concept, upon 4 factorial into 2 factorial. Then now you can solve it to get the answer. So before you will write like this, you have to elaborate little bit. You have to write the statement, then only you will go for this part. So this one is number of ways eyes together. i's together. ये जो है आपका नंबर ऑफ वेज इन विच i's together. So टोटल वेज में से हमने नंबर ऑफ वेज इन विच i's together वो माइनस कर दिया एंड देन यू कैन सॉल्व टू गेट द फाइनल आंसर. I hope this concept is clear to all of you. Now, question 11th. Question 11th is, in how many ways letters of word permutations be arranged if the word start with P and end with S? First part, start with the P and end with S. So it means that start with P and end with S. ये दो नंबर हमारे फिक्स्ड हो गए. These are the fixed, not number, fixed letters. Fixed हो गए. As according to the first part, start with P and end with S. Now we have to make the ways of these letters. These letters. So let's count it. The letters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Since these are the fixed, तो इनकी अभी हमें we don't need these letters. We have to make the number of ways for this. So these are 10. So 10 factorial upon. Now observe whether any letter is repeating here. Let's see. Any letter is repeating? This. T is repeating. So upon 2 factorial. Upon 2 factorial. So this is the answer of first one. Now come to the second one. In second part, it is vowels are together. Vowels are together from word permutations. If we will take vowels together, so how we can write it? P, R, M, T, again T, then N, S, and vowels together. E, U, A, I, O. These we will take it together. Okay. So vowels are together. अब यहाँ पर हमने ये vowels we have taken it together. From the word permutations we have taken vowels together. अब अगर आप देखोगे इसको हम fix कर देते हैं. But it's not written that the vowel should be in this order itself. हमारे ये vowels में भी आपस में interchange हो सकता है. Means it can be written like this: E, A, I, U, O, or it can be written U, O, U, A, I, E, like this. It can be written. So the number of ways in which vowels can be taken together will be how much? Can you tell me what should be the number of ways in which vowels together? So all are 5. So 5, P, 5. These are the number of ways in which we will take the vowels together. Now to find out the number of ways for this, what we will do, we will fix it. So हम इसे we will take it as one digit, one letter. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we will take this as 8. So how will you write it? 8 factorial upon, since the words are repeating, यहाँ पे words repeat हो रहे हैं. So what will you write it? 2 factorial. Now use the principle, fundamental principle of counting, and it will come like this. So now you can find out its answer. 8 factorial upon 2 factorial and 5p5, it will be 5 factorial. Solve it. So 8, 7, 6, then 5, 4, 3 and 2 factorial, and this is also 2 factorial, cancel, and one more 5 factorial is there. So 5, 4, 3 and 2 and 1. So you will multiply these numbers together to get the answer. Is it clear? Because here in this, the vowels, the interchange of the letters in vowels are also there. So the total ways for vowels is 5p5. Now, third part of this question. In third part, it is written, there are always 4 letters between P and S. 4 letters. P और S के बीच में. The position of P and S is not given. It can be the extreme end also, but the letters should be 4 letters. It can be written like this, or in between also, at the end also, it can be there. So the position of, there are always 4 letters between P and S. If we will take the position, let's see over here, the position of P and S. If the position of P, let it be, this is the position of P and this is for S. If the position of P is at first place, then the S will be at 6th place. Because in between, we can take 4 letter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. If the position of P is at 2nd place, then the position of S will be at 7th place. So again, there will be 4 letters and so on. So what we have observed here? So these are the position of 4 letters in between P and S. If the position of P is at 7th place, then the position of S will be at 12th place. Now tell me, should we go for the 8th place and the 13th place? Should we go for the? No. Why? Because if you will see the number of digits, number of letters over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So up to 12 position we can go. After that we can't go. So this is the position of P and S. But, so what will be the total cases here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 positions will be there for P and S together. But if we will interchange their position, इनको interchange कर देते हैं. Interchange their position means, interchange their position means this S will come first and P will be later on. Again, there will be 4 letters. Between P and S or S and P, it's not mentioned that P will always come first. Okay, so between P and S, again there are 4 letters. So it will go in reverse order. So we will get 7 more. So the total number of ways in which P and S take their position will be 2 into 7 means 14. 7 ये हो गई and 7 position will be this. So the total ways will be 14 ways. 14 ways हो गए. Now we have to go further. We have to make the ways for the remaining letters. P and S. If we will remove P and S, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So there are 10 letters. So 10 factorial upon, let's see, any repeating letter. This T is repeating over here, upon 2 factorial, and according to the fundamental principle of counting, multiply it. Okay, so with P and S or S and P, there are 14 ways. 14 ways, and with the rest of the letters, 10 factorial upon 2 factorial. So these are the total number of ways in which this whole word permutation can be arranged if in between P and S there are 4 letters. Okay, now you can solve it. 10 factorial upon 2 factorial into 14. You can, I think you can solve it yourself to get the answer. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.